Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get an Atlas credit card. Now here I am on the Axis Bank website, and this is the Atlas credit card. So I came here to Home, Retail Cards, Credit Card, Axis Bank Atlas credit card. You can search this up here as well. And all you need to do once you find the specific card is click on Apply Now, okay? So I'll click on this, it'll open this up in a new tab. It'll actually ask you a bunch of questions. So make sure this is the correct card you want. You can check the eligibility criteria. So you need to be a primary card holder between 18 to 70 years, okay? And any add-on card holders need to be 18 years plus. Now the main criteria here is the salary. Your net annual income needs to be 12 lakhs and above. And if you're self-employed, you need to have a net annual income of 15 lakhs and above, and also resident of India. And these are the documentation they will require from you for your application: a PAN card copy, latest pay slip, and a residence proof. Okay, you can use these as your residence proof, but you just come here whether or not you're an Axis Bank customer. You can answer here. Let's say I'm not. They'll ask you for your information. If you are, they'll just ask you to log in. But here we go. Just need to fill in details. For example, your mobile number, which is linked to your Aadhaar card, your PAN number, PIN code, net annual income. You enter the CAPTCHA and continue with this process. Okay? And depending on whether or not you're eligible, they'll actually send you an invitation. So you basically first join their waiting list, and then you have to wait for the invitation. Okay? Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.